I suspect you know why I'm here. One of the challenges when working out at home or with limited equipment is getting in challenging pulling exercises such as rows or pull-ups. Well, if you have a table, you have options. So, what I suggest is finding a table, making sure it's sturdy, take off any breakable items, make sure you have some friction, so something on a pad or a rug is ideal. I've got all these boxes checked, obviously. You can grab the sides of the table, again, sturdy, make sure it's sturdy, start feet flat, and you can pull yourself up, being careful not to hit your face, initiating the pull with the shoulder blades. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, I know. You could also walk the feet back, go on your heels, like so, to change the difficulty, change the challenge. All right, now you can also pull and hold yourself up like this. You can extend, pull back, extend, pull back, pretty neat. You can rotate your body while holding on, and then as you fatigue, you can focus on trying not to rattle whatever is on the table. Pretty cool options. Remember, safety first. Do not do as I do.